प्रोग्राम के बारे में है। मिशन कर्मयोगी के अंदर जो राष्ट्रीय कर्मयोगी प्रोग्राम के अंदर ये आता है, जो सीबीसी जो है वो इसको मॉनिटर करता है पीएमओ से। और ये इसका मकसद ये है कि जो गवर्नमेंट चाहती है कि लोग जो मतलब एक अपने अंदर एक भावना इस तरह से लाए, सेवा भाव से लोग काम करें।
if I want to focus on one Karma Yogi moment, I would say that I would first highlight our own office. If when we ask for anything at the store, it might not be there. Most of the time, it is not there. But I haven't heard, at least none of us here haven't heard that it won't be provided. They might take time, but it is provided.
Visitors for herbarium consultation and all, and we also have connection with PO for administrative work, and we also deal with scholars, students and local citizens. And Karma Yogi moment, Ruma will share.
कॉलेज का जो स्टूडेंट्स लोग आते हैं तो हमेशा हम लोग हेल्प करते हैं कि प्रॉम्प्टली रिस्पॉन्स करना, मतलब जैसे दीप्ति दी ने बताया, कोई भी मेल आईडी चाहिए या फ़ोन करके अभी आना है, इतना बजे क्लास लेने से अच्छा होगा, तो हम लोग प्रॉम्प्टली उसको प्ले करते हैं.
The coastal, that means mangroves, so that also coming under Guru Vietnam. So that is very very important for our national development. How we, through this, how we can develop our nation is, for example, when we are selecting a important indigenous species from the coastal region, so that is very important. Otherwise, no, when we are introducing the invasive species or exotic species, it will create lot of problem to the environment. Due to
comes under Ministry of Forest Climate Change, so that our role of our ministry comes to coordinate between the departments, subordinate office and different organizations to collect all the data and make implementation for effective policies. Then we can meet with our national goals. In that, what can be our role as an individual or as a team? So, as you know, our primary role is to collect the data, primary baseline data collection on plants, and then we are going for the IUCN assessment for all the species and GS mapping for individual species for फ्यूचर कंजर्वेशन. तो
इन्वेंटरी करना, उसका डॉक्यूमेंटेशन करना, उसके साथ साथ कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग, और जो पर्सनल गोल्स है वो है फ्लोरिस्ट्री डॉक्यूमेंटेशन, प्रिजर्वेशन ऑफ नॉलेज, स्पीशीज हेरिटेज क्यूरेशन और डेटाबेस जनरेशन.
Revealing the biological wealth of the country and conservation of the biological resources is the national goal that we want to promote at this place. And for that, the department where we are working, it involves extensive and intensive surveys of all the groups of plant, not only the higher groups but also the lower groups of plant.
जो आज ट्रेनिंग से मिला है एक शब्द, तो ये मेरा काम, हम लोग अपना काम करेंगे जिससे डिपार्टमेंट आगे बढ़ेगा, सेवा भावना से देश आगे.
सेवा ही कर्म है, सेवा ही कर्म है.
regularly follow the discipline to develop the nation.
Nation comes first.
Be a कर्मयोगी, be a crusader of Viksit Bharat.